out here working, man. Tell them again.
Emily's Groceries on Metallurgical. I'm gonna say, we up here at Emily's on Metropolitan and Central Expressway.
What part of school we at?
We in South Dallas. Yeah, my name Willie. Come on, we hit it one time.
Hey! Introducing Vino Bars. Vino Bars. Who you know? Paint you a vivid picture of ballin' out. Money, cars, bitches, and politicians I'm all about. Elevation, you niggas steady waiting for handouts. Renovations and congregations, the map the plan now. I ain't depending on different bitches, I took the man route. 40 caliber, busting calibers, now your man down. I go crazy when I spit lyrics, I bring the fans out. They go crazy when they buy ounces, pull the pans out. I just do this shit for my niggas that's in the can now. I just do this shit for my baby boy and the fam now. Woo! A nigga cooler than fans now. Local for a minute, but Vino about to expand now. Let's squad, man. Y'all already know Villa Cool, how we rockin'. Let's ride.
That's my boy. That's my boy. If he don't get no big, if he get any big, he'll be my bigger nigga.
Alright. Bro, me, man, this that nigga big brother, man. Like I'm riding the whole wave. I ain't lying, man. Say this shit finna go from her to her. It's already right here, so we ain't got too long to go, my nigga. I'm trying to tell you. I ain't lying.